Hello and welcome to Bong Bento Life and good morning from Colmar Tropicale. Waking up in this fairy tale village felt peaceful, cozy and quiet.
Teacher नहीं है
And
ना
the air was cool, the surrounding calm, just the perfect start to our anniversary day. It's our 3-year anniversary and honestly we couldn't have picked a better spot. Colmar French vibes, pastel street, and nature all around made it feel special in every way. Let's talk about how to get here because not many people know. You can take a direct bus from Bukit Bintang in the morning and there is one return bus in the afternoon from Colmar back to the city. It's the most budget friendly option. And we came by Grab. And yes, with toll it cost around 80 ringgit. Many people told us we wouldn't get a Grab on the way back. But guess what? We pre-scheduled a Grab for the next day around 11 a.m. and it came right on the time. Or I say before the time. Same price, no hustle. So it's a little bit of tip. If you are planning a trip, schedule your return gap ahead or catch a return bus. So let's get back to the Colomar. Waking up here on our anniversary was just what we needed. No alarm, no city noise, just bird and cool breeze. We reached down for breakfast. It usually served buffet style. We are so hungry that we forgot to record. So sorry for that. After that, we decided to walk around a little bit. It was so quiet and peaceful in the morning. There was a small lake nearby with swans. Great for kids and couples who want a little fun. Lots of photo spots and cute bridges. Even though we skipped the Japanese garden and rabbit park this time, the village itself gave us plenty of spot to relax and enjoy. And the most relaxing part, we had an encounter with these little cute swans. This trip was simple, but that's what made it special. Didn't need to packed itinerary or tourist rush. Just some calm air, beautiful views, and time for each other. And that's exactly what Colomar Tropical gave us. exploring the village, we had an unexpected and beautiful surprise. We met three stunning birds. They were colorful, friendly, and definitely knew how to pose for the camera. It felt like a little touch of nature magic added to our fairy tale day. Moments like this make trips even more special, completely unplanned but unforgettable. Definitely one of our cutest memory from Colombo.
Hello? Hello? Look at here. Look here, look here. Look here.
Now let's go to that castle which we are seeing from far. This time, actually, we are looking how to get in there. We had no idea how to get in, and if it is legal to go there, or just it's fun to know like we really want to go inside it, but don't know it is a different property or the same one. So, let's go. And finally, we've been there. There is a side door in the castle where you can get in. There is a lift to the first floor or second floor. So, from there, you can enjoy the full castle view. This is mainly a parking lot, but it looks more like a fairy tale right out of from a storybook. The architecture, the color, the vibe, it's giving full on French village drama. This is probably the most Instagrammable spot in the entire resort. From every angle, this place looked like belonged to a postcard. Of course, I did lots of click, click, click. Probably took 100 photos there and no regrets. The soft evening light just made everything look so dreamy. If you ever visit, don't miss this photo spot right in the front. Because honestly, No Colmar trip is complete without a castle moment. As you approach the Colmar Tropicale, the first thing that welcomes you is this elegant fountain right at the entrance. The sound of the water, the lush greenery, and the peaceful vibe instantly set the mood. It feels like you have left the city far behind and entered a different world. Everything about this place is carefully designed to give you the charming European village feel. The long road leading up is lined with trees and hills. And it's such a scenic ride. It's built the excitement slowly. And when the colorful buildings peek into the view, and wow, even before you walk through the main gate, you can feel how special this place is. It's the kind of entrance that makes you stop, breathe in, and smile. A perfect beginning to our little French escape in the hill. Sometimes the best anniversaries are the calmest one. No rush, no soft walks. Sorry, just soft walks, good food, and quiet life. As the evening came, Colmar transformed into a something even more magical. The lights turned golden, reflection danced on the water, and every corner looked like a storybook. And just like that, today's anniversary escape come to an end. Colmar Tropical is more than just a themed resort. It's a peaceful, picture-perfect getaway in the Malaysian hills. If you ever need a short escape with the long-lasting memories, this place is worth it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of Bong Bento Life. Till then, tata! And also some fun moment which I am sharing with you. I love the banker sound.
ব্যাঙের সাউন্ডের কথা বলতেছে তারপরে এখন ব্যাংক ধরতে যায়, ব্যাংক থাকবে থাকিস ওর জায়গায় আছে। চলো ঠিক আছে, আসো লেটস গো। দশটা বেজে গেছে তো, যাই একটু ভিতরে, ঠান্ডা লাগছে।